just given the owners a hand packing, so don't be surprised when you come to the open home or inspections that you see some boxes around the house. It's a quality built Brad McLaughlin home, and the owners have actually been here for just under 20 years. The open plan living flows gently out into the outdoor area and captures the refreshing breezes that the mountain always has to offer. Comfortable 3-bedroom home with a fantastic layout. Set on 5 magnificent acres, you go down to the shared dam at the bottom. Whilst I'd love to introduce you to the pets, they've gone off to their next home, but they thoroughly enjoyed these rich pastures. Great opportunity for horse lovers. There's plenty of room for an arena. There's plenty of room for stables. It's all usable. Well, I'd love to spend the rest of the afternoon outside, but I've really got to get this packing done. I'll see you at the open home.